what is happening here, for those who are not seeing, a casket, yeah, in orange, and the Laborites are singing and dancing as they take away the casket to bury the dead, the political dead. And here comes Lawrence Rowe atop an open vehicle, dressed in orange, and the Laborites are singing the PNP song. Now this is going to go down in the history books. The most popular song of the 2025 campaign, done for the People's National Party, has been usurped by Labour Party supporters. So the Laborites have taken over that song and turned it into their own. I've never seen that in my 30 odd years watching politics in Jamaica. Yeah, I just couldn't believe it. Yeah, so those 4 seats, North Trelawney, Central Manchester, Eastern St Andrew, and Central Kingston,